Welcome to the EarlyON. My name is Julie, and I'm a resource consultant from Lansdowne Children's Center. Today I'm going to share with you managing big emotions with breathing. This fabulous breathing exercise and the information was developed by Leona of Relax Kids Canberra. You can find out more about Leona via the Relax Kids Canberra Facebook page. When we are stressed or upset, nature's fight or flight response takes over, increasing our heart rate and making our breathing fast and shallow, and sending blood from our brain out to our limbs, ready to escape or challenge the perceived threat or danger. While stress hormones are flooding our bodies and we are gripped by this programmed response, it is very hard to slow down and become calm, express our feelings, and think rationally about what is happening to us and how we are responding. Our thought processes and self-control are actually hindered by our biological stress response. When stressed children may experience an additional layer of fear or distress as they feel out of control and overwhelmed, not understanding what is happening to them or why. As adults, we are more aware of our feelings and of our psychological changes that come with these, but even we may have a hard time managing our own behavior. Take 5 breathing is a wonderful way to switch off the stress response. It brings the body back into balance, slowing and deepening the breath and slowing down the heart rate, while harnessing the need to move with an action that requires focus and provides sensory feedback to our brains. Best of all, Take 5 breathing is simple, enjoyable, free, and you can use it anywhere, anytime. What is Take 5 breathing? During Take 5 breathing, the child concentrates on taking 5 slow breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Children may need to practice this first if they are used to mouth breathing. If you notice that your child finds breathing through the nose a challenge, invite them to imagine smelling a beautiful flower or their favorite food as they breathe in, and then to breathe out with a big sigh because it smells so good. At the same time as breathing, the child focuses on the action of tracing up and down the finger of one hand and the gentle sensation this creates. Here's how it works. A guide to Take 5 breathing. Spread your hand and stretch your fingers out like a star. You can choose your left hand or your right hand. Pretend the pointer finger of your other hand is a pencil. And imagine you're going to trace around the outline of your hand and fingers. Start at the bottom of your thumb and slide your finger up your thumb, pause at the top, and then slide your finger down the other side. Now slide your pointer up your second finger, pause, and slide down the other side. Continue tracing your fingers up, pause, and down. Slide your finger slowly. Watch your finger move and notice how it feels. Keep going until you have finished tracing your 5th finger, pinky. Now you're ready to add some breathing. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Remember to keep it slow and steady. Place your pointer finger at the top of your thumb and breathe in as you slide up. Breathe out as you slide down. Breathe in as you slide up your second finger and breathe out as you slide down. Keep going until you have finished tracing your fingers and you've taken 5 slow breaths. How does your body feel now? Do you feel calm, or would you like to take another 5? Most children find the sensory aspect of this breathing method very soothing and settling. If your child dislikes the sensation of sliding their fingers up and down their hand, try one of these adaptations. Trace an outline of their hand on a piece of card, and they can trace their fingers along the outline. You can create a textured outline or cut the shape if this works better. An alternative that involves no touching is to stretch their fingers out like the candles on a cake and slowly blow each candle out and tuck the finger into the palm. Practicing Take 5. The best time to practice Take 5 breathing or any calm down method is when everyone is happy and no one feels stressed. Children find it hard to learn or use techniques when they are already overwhelmed by big feelings. So do adults. and it is important that we don't force, push, or demand that children use a calm down method. The last thing our children need is pressure to succeed at relaxing. Letting the poster act as a reminder, rather than verbally telling our children what to do when they are feeling overcome with emotions and stress, can be more effective.
A resource consultant from the Early Integration Program is available to talk to you should you want more information, support, or to discuss any concerns or questions you may have. Please contact us by email at eip@lansdowncc.com or by phone at 519-753-3153. Ask reception if you can speak to a resource consultant.